Hello there! Ever need to quickly duplicate a part in Orca? Well, let me show you 3 different ways to do that. First, let's load into Orca Slicer. For these examples, I'm going to open a new project. Now, let me add a simple cube to the bed. The first way to duplicate a part is the old copy-paste method. Select the part you want to use, Ctrl-C, and Ctrl-V. Then you can move the duplicated part to where you need on the bed. But what if you need more than one duplicate? Well, you can use the second method, clone command, to create a specified amount of copies. Select the part, and use Ctrl-K. Or you can right-click and select Clone. In the menu that pops up, select the number of additional copies you want, and click OK. Once the clones are on the bed, as you can see, you can't see them, you can manually place them where you want, like this, or you can use the Arrange All Objects button, hotkey A, to have Orca place them for you. Lastly, what if you want to fill the whole bed with copies? Orca can do that too. Select the part you want, then right-click and select Fill Bed with Copies. And just like that, Orca will optimize the placement of each part to fill the entire bed. Thank you for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment below. Would love to hear your suggestions, or maybe you just want to brag about your current project. Love to hear it. And if you're so inclined, press that subscribe button for more content.